If you want to use air gestures on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then in that case we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings we need to scroll down and choose Accessibility and Convenience, and then in here you should be able to go to Gestures and Motions, where we can find air gestures. Of course we need to grant permissions to be able to use air gestures, and we have the air control option, which we can easily enable or disable over here. When you have it enabled, when you have an incoming call, you can hold the back of your hand 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front camera and point your fingertips down. When a prompt appears at the top of the screen, we can flick our hand up in order to answer the call. And during a call, you can also hold your palm also 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front camera with our fingertips pointed up. And when the prompt appears at the top of the screen, we need to keep our hand still for 1.5 seconds in order to mute the call. And also we have the learn gestures option, so you can easily try it out in order to find out how to properly use it. Your phone will definitely teach you how to properly use these air gestures. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.